Hey guys, how's it going? Today we will be starting our RZR 200 build. Isn't that right, Evelina?
Yeah!
So that's your RZR 200.
Hi guys, it's me, Evelina. If you don't remember, in the last video, I got a RZR 200.
Have you been having fun riding it around in the snow?
Yeah!
Here we are in the backfield. We're gonna test this little thing out. It's really great machine so far as like the look of it goes and the feel. I don't know how reliable it is. We've already had to replace an O2 sensor on it, but that fixed all the issues and it's running great right now. It's just a little 180cc Chinese offshore engine. It doesn't put out tons of power and it's clutched very timidly, so it won't get you into trouble quick. It's great for learning the skills of driving, sliding around and stuff like that, especially out here, you know, learning vehicle control, learning how to stop and accelerate and control a slide and all that stuff kids need to learn so they don't get into trouble later on when I get her into a bigger machine. And then later on when these kids start driving's just second nature. If you know how to ride this side-by-side, then you should have no issues on the road as long as you follow the rules. But you know, we don't like following the rules. That's why we play off-road. So here she comes. Be careful, eh? Part of learning. You can't learn how to stay in control until you lose control. She's having so much fun. It really is amazing how quickly they pick up at this age, if it's something they're interested in. Oh yeah, I knew that was coming. Now she's almost doing it on purpose, trying to figure out why it's happening. The reality is, what's going on right now in her little head is insane. The amount of learning going on, muscle memory, all that stuff. This is a very, very demanding activity she's taking part in, and she's very new at it still. So every move she makes, she's making note of that in her head, whether she knows it or not. This is very mentally stimulating. It's not like she's not in front of the computer playing like Roblox or Minecraft or something. Not that there's no merit in those games. Playing games is fun. Even I love playing video games. But for those people that say this is reckless or it's why would you waste that money on a toy like this? It's not. You really are teaching these kids a lot of life lessons. There's a lot of mental stimulation going on here. It looks like she's spun out again. It's getting more slick now. How's that? Fun?
Yeah!
Did you slide out a few times?
Yeah!
Are you figuring out why it's happening?
Yeah!
So you're gonna get the hang of it soon, right? Mm-hmm. You're doing a lot better. Do you feel more control now?
Yeah. Cool,
good. Why don't we go back to the garage quickly and we can put those new wheels and tires on, try it out. So is this your first side-by-side, Evelina?
Yeah!
Tell us what we're gonna do with this thing.
We're gonna upgrade it with new parts to make it even more fun. This
thing is completely stock, guys. I was gonna do a walk around, but obviously the weather is not cooperating, and going out and riding is a lot more fun than just talking about a machine. So the game plan is here. Evelina wants to build up a RZR like I've been doing. As you can see, we got no shortage of side-by-sides in here. We've got the 24 RZR XP 1000, 2022 CF Moto Z-Force 950. That's also a build on the channel undergoing right now. This RZR will also be built up. And then we have the machine to compete with. We got the 2017 Battle Wagon over here. And we're gonna be doing the RZR 200 so that Evelina doesn't feel left out, and so that we can enjoy all this stuff as a family, because that's always been the goal, that we can go out and we can ride together. And I think if you wanna do that safely, you gotta start your kids young. What are we gonna do to it today?
Well, we're gonna put on the new wheels and tires on it.
Sweet, where'd we get those?
We got it from Raw Distributing.
Awesome, let's go check them out, okay?
Okay.
So we got 4 new wheels and tires. These are Traxion Gripper Max tires and Traxion aluminum wheels. On the RZR 200 here, we have a staggered wheel setup and also a weird bolt pattern. We've got 4x110s in the front and 4x136 in the rear, which is incredibly weird. It makes no sense, but whatever, it is what it is. So we're running a slightly larger wheel and tire setup. So we got 12-inch wheels, similar to the 12-inch wheels that are on there, but the stock wheels are just a stamped metal wheel. And it's just a very low tread design, kind of balloon-like CST all-terrain. And we're replacing it with this traction gripper, which resembles the tread pattern of what you'd see on like a Maxxis Bighorn. These are a good tire and wheel on a budget. For this little machine that's only 2-wheel drive, this will be a huge step up. And instead of going to a 24 like these machines come with, we went to a 25 by 8 by 12 front and a 25 by 10 by 12 rear. Slightly bigger, widens the wheels out a little bit, makes the machine a little bit more stable. So let's get the machine outside and we'll get these things installed. Come on, Evelina, back it out. All right, we got the RZR out now. What are we gonna do next?
Well, first, we're gonna lift up the machine and we're gonna remove these old wheels and tires.
All right, let's get that done. Now let's jack it up.
Yeah.
Pump that thing up. Hard, hard. There we go. Okay. Let's go till the wheels off the ground, okay?
Okay, can I do it?
You're not strong enough, are you? Oh, you are. Okay, pump it up until the wheel's off the ground. Okay, what's next?
Now we're gonna remove the bolts and then put on the new wheels and tires.
Here's your tool. Let's get those wheels off. Now we're gonna put that on there. Straight. Get it on there good. Okay, and take it off. Good, all the way. Keep going. Good, stop, stop. All right. There we go. Oh, almost. 2 more. Good. Last one. Keep going. Oh, keep going. Get it on there. Okay, go. Good. All right, let's set that aside. So we can get rid of we can set these wheel nuts aside because they just use a flat nut, similar to like a nylock nut you'd see on a lot of other applications on these RZRs. On the bigger RZRs, you'd see nuts like this holding the spindle assemblies together, holding the ball joints in, stuff like that. The new wheels that we're installing have a beveled wheel lug design like most aftermarket aluminum wheels would. So we have to change the lug nuts. Okay, let me help you take this off, okay? I'll take it off and then you roll it out of the way, okay? Okay, get that out of the way. When you're in here, it's also a good time to double check everything, make sure there's no damage anywhere. Does everything look good to you, Evelina?
Yeah.
What's this?
Spring?
Yeah, and what's it on? The shock?
I guess.
Yeah. So what do we need to do now? Put the new wheel on, right?
Yeah.
So go get the new wheel bolts and bring me over one of the new wheels. Okay, you got those lug nuts?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me those. And then we got our socket, right? Now
Yeah.
go grab one of the front wheels. Yeah, like I mentioned, you have to upgrade to like a standard style lug nut for these. And for the RZR 200, it's an M10 by 1.25. All right, good job. Bring that wheel over here. Oh, I'll help you. All righty. So now we got to get it on here, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if it fits. They're bigger. We might have to lift the machine up more. Does that look cooler?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the bolts on, okay? I'll get these started, and then you can tighten them up, okay?
Okay.
So make sure you got that on there straight, and then hit the button, okay?
Okay.
Get it on there good. Yep, and tighten it up. Good. Now do the other ones. Do the one across from it now, okay?
Sure.
Hold on, let me lift the RZR up a bit more. There. Get it on there good, straight.
There we go.
Okay, get it on there, tighten it up. Okay, now do this one. We don't want to over tighten them right away, okay?
Okay.
So do this one now.
Tell me when to stop.
Bit more. Good. Now this guy. Good. Bit more. Okay, good. Here, let me check them, okay?
Sure.
Let's step back and take a look at it.
Yeah.
You think that looks cooler?
Yeah.
Oh boy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You ready to do the rest?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's work together to get the other three on there quickly, okay?
Okay.
And when we're done that, what do we get to do?
We get to ride it.
Yeah, so what's the best part? Testing it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's get these on there. You think it's cool working on your own machine?
Yeah.
That's right. If they want a machine, you got to teach them how to work it. You got to teach them how to use it. You got to teach them how to fix it because it's all part of the game, guys. Get them started young and it'll be easy by the time they're older. Get that thing off, okay?
Okay.
You know what to do. Get it on there straight and remove all 4 of those nuts, okay?
Okay.
Make sure it's on there straight. Keep going. Till it comes off. Till it comes off. Just hold it. On there. No. It's not on there. Good. Hold it. Hold the button. There. That's off. See, it came off. Now do these 2. Get it on there. Hold the button. More. There we go. And the last one. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Good one. Good job. Okay, we got those 4 off. Now we'll pull this wheel off, right? There we go. Out of the way, right? And now we put the new guy on. I'll bring it over to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here's the new one.
Yeah.
Let's get that on there. Want me to help you get it on?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a little heavy for you, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay. How about I get these guys started and then you tighten them up, okay?
Okay.
That's good. Now do the bottom one. A bit more. Good. Good. Let's lower it down and do the back, okay?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
I'll move this around to the back and then we'll lift the back up. Hey, get that wheel off.
Okay.
Oh, it's not off yet. Good job. I'll hold that, okay?
Okay.
3 more to go. Yeah, don't be scared. Just hit it hard. Good. Good. Getting better, aren't you?
Yeah.
Pull that wheel off for me. Good. Keep going. Here, let me help. Okay. Roll it out of the way. Get this thing over with other old wheels and bring over a new one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now do this one. Good. 1 more to go?
Yeah.
Let's stand back and take a peek at it. Oh boy, that is cool. Doesn't that look better?
Yeah.
I'd say your first upgrade is a success. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the last one on and then we can go test it out, okay?
Yeah, that's the best part.
Oh yeah. You want me to do the last one?
Yeah.
How about you film me?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do the last one to help out, okay?
Okay.
I want to try too. Now I gotta start these guys, right?
Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
So we'll start them by hand so we make sure they get started good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because we don't want to damage them, do we?
No, not on the first part.
Definitely not. Once these are started, I can tighten them up, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Should we lower it down?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we can get to the best part.
We'll save these in here, okay?
Okay.
In this box. And we'll put them with the other wheels, okay? Out with the old, in with the new, right?
Yeah.
You think it looks cool?
Yeah.
You excited to try it now?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. It's gonna be awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So these things look a lot better. They really make this machine look a lot meaner. And the colors look really nice compared to just those boring metal wheels. Let's go around quickly. Let's double check that they're all tight, and then we'll get geared up and we'll go out for a ride, okay?
Okay.
All right, Evelina, you ready to try them out?
Yeah.
All right, get turned around and we'll head out to the trails, okay? That thing looks way better. Gonna take the CF Moto Z-Force 950 and we're gonna go ride around with Evelina in the field so she can try out her new tires. These new tires don't work well in the snow, do they?
No.
Were the other ones better?
Yes.
I wonder if they work okay on the trail.
Let's hope they do.
Hit the gas as hard as you can. Hit the gas! Go fast! They're all over the place. There's way more grip on the other tires, actually, surprisingly. I don't know if these are just too hard. I let a bunch more air in out of them. Only about 4 PSI or something in them. I'm scared they're gonna fall off the rim because they're non-beadlock. If they were beadlock wheels, I'd just let all the air out of them. But yeah, I'm gonna go follow around and see how she does on the rest of the trail. We might have to put the stock tires back on for the snow and get these. These will do a lot better for sure in the soft stuff once the ground is softer. And there's mud and stuff like that. They got a bigger lug. But on the snow, it's kind of weird sometimes. Certain tires that look like they'd work well don't. And then tires that you think would be useless actually hook up quite well. It almost looks like these tires dig a little bit too much. The stock tire doesn't dig as deep because of the smaller lug. It's also softer and lighter, a bit more flotation. That might be why it's working better on this. What we have here is like a thin layer of snow with a really hard frozen crust underneath. So once you break through the snow, it just ices over and there's no grip once the wheels start to spin. So yeah, I'm assuming that's kind of giving these tires a little bit of a hard time. But hey, that's part of the fun. She's learning that sometimes getting stuck is part of the fun and part of the excitement and part of the frustration too. We've all been on those rides where you spend 3/4 of your ride trying to get unstuck and barely any of it riding. It's almost like you get stuck, you unstick yourself, and then before you can even get going, you're stuck again. I know we've all been there, and I mean, you just got to embrace it. Yeah, you got to teach the kids that, you know, it's a little bit of give and take, and it's about picking your lines. I think she should be able to make it up that. Hey Evelina, are you having fun riding around?
Yeah.
How are the new tires?
Good.
Good? Do you like the way they look?
Mm-hmm.
You think your RZR looks cooler now?
Yeah.
Sweet, I guess we're gonna have to plan our next upgrade, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So enjoy your ride and go have some fun and try out these new tires. And say bye to everyone and see you in the next video.
Bye. Smash the like and subscribe button and see you in the next video.
Woo! She told you guys, smash that like button and subscribe. Let your kids know we got some cool family-friendly content coming their way as well. Lots more riding videos coming your way. We're just mixing things up, getting the family involved. It's a ton of fun getting the little ones out and getting them trained to cause havoc with us out on the trails. So it's your job to get them started young and teach them the way. Ride safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. If you're looking for some cool upgrades for your side-by-side, or maybe your kid's side-by-side or ATV, make sure you check out our friends at royaldistributing.com. They've got all the power sports accessories you need to keep you on the trail.